Well, 8 ways to grill chicken, huh?
Yeah.
Here we're talking about direct grilling chicken right over the coals or right over the gas.
Yep.
No safe zone, no 2 zone.
There's no need for it.
Fill the grill with chicken.
Yep.
Pre-made. I'm really glad we added this category.
Yeah, this is a good one.
You know, the pre-made chicken and or other products, but we're focusing on chicken right now.
You go to the grocery store and you go by the butcher's department, more times than not, they're going to have some pre-made options for you that you basically take home and, you know, they say throw it in the pan or throw it in the oven, but with us, you know, you throw it on the grill, you throw it on the griddle.
Absolutely. Cordon bleu is what we chose, but I've seen kebabs and pinwheels. They're really, it's like somebody did most of the work. You just get the easy part to grill it.
Yeah, all you got to do is pull it out of the package and cook it. Make sure you cook at the temperature. It's delicious.
And here on the cordon bleu, we're using the griddle.
Yep.
Then there's cheese stuffed in there, but done at the right temperature, most of the cheese stays intact.
That's right. And the outside gets nice and crispy, crusty, just like it would in an oven or in a pan. But I think it's even better when it's done on the grill because that cheese doesn't just ooze. It caramelizes into that crispy little treat.
Yes. So pre-made items. So when you're in the meat department, look left or right, and you may see a whole bunch of pre-made ideas,
and they're going to translate right over to the grill.
I've got my griddle going more often than not. I love those pinwheels, but cordon bleu on the grill is spectacular. Again, you're really amping it up, and it's another great way to grill chicken. Oh, that's no fun. Look at that.
That's pretty.